Bigyan natin ng proper justice itong motorsiklo na to. This is, by the way, the Triumph Tiger Sport 660. Ito yung sport touring ni Triumph Trident. This motorcycle is priced at 555,000 pesos. Bakit ganun? Bakit din na bumili ng liter bike? Marami tayong pag-usapan dito ang kanyang seat height, power, technology, and everything, mga kapipi. Para sa akin kasi, ito yung pinaka-affordable na sport touring mahahanap mo, and it's branded Triumph, my dear friends. So ayan, but before anything else, let's give it a proper B. This is the blue color of the Tiger Sport 660, and ito yung gray color ng Triumph Tiger Sport 660. When it comes to the colorway, they are perhaps one of the most quality looking paint job na makikita mo. Little bit minor details on the decals, just these ones. It looks like a tiger stripe kumbaga, and it indicates Showa on the inverted front fork. Tiger Sport on each side, meron siyang decals na ganyan, and yung gray niya, titignan nyo, ayun no, quality eh. On this area naman, makikita mo yung gray niya, ang ganda ng kanyang shape, I like it. The machine, the engine, I like it as well. The seat, on the other hand, beautifully done. It's not one of the best, makapal, and pwede sa kahit sinong sizes, up to 6'1 at least. Naupuan na to ng isang 6'1 na rider, and quality naman siya. And on this part, even on this part, pwede kong upuan. It's not the most spacious one, pero just enough for a 5'6" tall rider na umangkas. Okay na okay siya, kaya okay lang. I love also the plastics on this one. What they've done is they color combine plastics on this one as well. Maganda din yung itsura niya, and it looks sturdy and matibay, ganyan po. Akala ko winglet or something na daluyan ng ng hangin, pero this is what you're getting. May butas siya dito, so maybe it's for the aerodynamics. But when it comes to the headlight, automatic high beam po, dalawa yung naka-on. All LED affair sila, front and rear, and I love the way the grab bar looks. Sabi ni Sir Darl, hindi daw po kasama sa presyo yung luggage. You have to buy it individually. Some people are saying it's Japanese looking, pero para sa akin very sharp. Yung tipong parang masasabi mong maiba naman, parang ganun yung pakiramdam ko nung nakita ko si Triumph Tiger Sport 660, and hinahanap ko kung saan siya gawa. Hindi natin mahanap. Maximum na pwede mo ilagay is 429 kg. That's quite a lot. And overkill, to be quite honest. Detachable yung kanyang pillion peg, so gusto mo magsolo, kung pinagbawalan ka ni Mrs. mag-angkas, tanggalin mo yan, iwan mo sa bahay. Banana swing arm, I love it. Underbelly exhaust, this is inline triple by the way, mga kapipip. Underbelly exhaust and everything over here. It's having one exit only, which is on the right side. Yun lang po yung makikita mo. Ito yung napansin ko sa kanya, Michelin tires siya. Imagine that, for a Triumph brand, tapos lalagyan mo pa ng Michelin tires. Sa front side, meron siyang 120, 70, 17. Sa rear naman, meron siyang 180, 55, 17. And these are very, very fat tires, to be quite honest. Dual disc brake siya sa front side. If you're going to take a look, it's Nissan, it's not Brembo. They're usually using their Brembo on their twins. But on this one, the price is so approachable. Ginawa nila ng paraan. Nissan disc brake caliper din po sa likuran. Water reservoir on this part. Foot controls are metal and stainless on the heat guard. May variation siya ng looks, kumbaga. Same thing as on this part. This is quick shifter ready po, sabi sa akin ni Sir Darl. Preload adjustable din siya sa rear, so you can adjust the rear suspension. Pero on the front side, it has a Showa branding inverted fork. Ayan po, sa kanyang harapan. And ito yung pinaka-importanting parte niya kasi, mga kapipi. I'm a big fan of this technology, by the way. If you press this one, ayan yung makikita mo, yung neutral indicator, kung naka-neutral ka ba, naka first gear, second gear, third gear. And if you press down again, the main menu, if you click this one, you will see the riding modes. May mga riding modes siya, yun yung maganda. Meron siyang rain and road. And if you put it back, bike setup, Ayan po, may traction control po siya. You can enable and disable it. May trip setup siya and everything. You may explore this for your eyes na rin mga kapipip. Trip setup, ayan, pwede mong i-reset. May display setup din siya, brightness and everything. Oh my lord, this is very good. Default. So if you press down again, trip 1, fuel status niya, may fuel consumption and fuel average. This is what I like. Temperature sa kanyang engine. Ang service interval niya is next year. Ayan po, malapit-lapit na po. And it's either 16,000 kilometers or otherwise 1 year. On this part, ayan po, may cruise control siya. Ma-adjust mo rin po. I don't know how to adjust it, pero it's good to know na may cruise control siya. The speed gauge and the RPM are here. Ayan po, makikita nyo po. Fuel gauge, ABS lighting, ang kanyang check engine light and temperature, nandyan po. Neutral indicator din po, nandyan din po. And if you are going to press this one, that's the turn signals. And if you press this one, so ayan, may TCS siya, naka-rain din. May map siya, naka-rain din. I'm not quite sure with the map yet. I might have to explore this bike on my first ride review. So, ma-adjust mo siya, may technology siya. And this is where you press the high beam. Ayan po, naka-high beam na po siya. Pag tatanggalin mo, ayan po, ganyan po ang pagtanggal sa kanyang high beam. Ang ganda lang ng motorsiklo na to. And if you are going to start it, ayan, pipihitin mo yung clutch and then pipindutin mo yung power button, which is this one. Hindi siya mag-i-start kapag hindi ka nakapihit sa clutch. And the hazard light is right here. Boom. Ayan po. Ang ganda. Quality side on almost everything. I love the branding over here. Ito yung sa grips niya. Ayan, I love the branding over here. And if you want to accessorize bar and mirror as you wish so, Triumph branding as well on the water reservoir, on the front brake. Wala, maganda sa akin, promise. And sana hindi nila taasan ng presyo kasi sa tingin ko talaga bebenta to ng parang tsokolate. Quality ang kanyang presyo pagdating na rin sa kanyang side mirror eh. If you wanted to adjust the windshield, ito na yung pinakatap niya. Push and pull lang daw siya, sabi sa akin ni ano. And I won't count the levels, pero mataas yung pwede mo mapag-adjust ano. Tignan nyo na lang yan. Ganyan po. And di pa yan yung pinakamataas. Ganyan yung kanyang pinakamataas. Alright, I love this bike. And kung may kailangan baguhin ako lang naman, it's just a way to nitpick. Sa tingin ko, this one eh. When it comes to the aesthetic, sa tingin ko, this one. This is a good looking seat. Pero kung may kailangan improve, I think you should go with the seat. But aside from that, this is a very, very beautiful bike. When it comes to the performance, it has 80 horsepower and you can have it at 10,250 RPM. Ang kanyang torque, 64 Newton meters at 6,250 RPM. This is a very revvy engine. And yung kanyang seat height, 835 millimeters. It's not that bad. The seat is very thick, very lightweight for a sport touring bike, 206 kilograms, and it has 7.2 liter fuel tank capacity and kaya niyang pumalo ng 22 to 25 km per liter. Para sa akin, sapat na yon. Kaya mo nang mag 200 or lagpas 200 kilometers sa biyahe na hindi na nagpapagasolina or hindi na nag-worry na magpagasolina. I love the way this motorcycle looks, to be quite honest. Hindi mo man lang masabing it's pure-blooded Triumph, pero it's perhaps one of the most beautiful sport touring bike na makikita mo dito sa Pinas or sa balat ng lupa. Babanggitin ko again ang kanyang price, 555,000 pesos. It's one of the most affordable sport touring bike na mabibili mo. Hence, it's a Triumph. It's an England brand mga kapipip. One of the best offer ni Triumph, kumbaga, sa kanyang bike lineup. A massive shoutout to the #1 salesperson ni Triumph, si Sir Darl. Ayan, Sir, baka may gusto po kayong pa-shoutout.
Shoutout to Triumph Davao. Just come visit our showroom. We are open 8 to 5 every day.
Monday to Saturday, no?
Monday to Sunday, sir.
Hala, Monday to Sunday? So, pwede pala akong bumisita ng Sunday. Next week, pagkagaling ko ng Manila, bibisitahin ko kayo mismo. Yes. Sure yan, na? Mamaya, sarado kayo.
Meron po kami Sunday, sir. So, visit anytime.
Ayan, thank you so much,
Okay.
Sir Darl. So, ayan mga kapipip, I'll be ending the vlog here. Lilipad pa tayo papuntang Maynila. And may babalag tayong mga motorsiklo doon very, very soon. And let me know in the comment section below what you think about this motorcycle. And if this video was helpful and somewhat informative, please give it a thumbs up. And kung may sasuggest pa kayo, sabihan nyo lang po ako. Subscribe if you haven't already. Malapit na tayong mag 10,000 subscribers. Ayan. And Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying and trust the process. And I'll see you in the next.